What's up guys, welcome back to Unbox Junkie. My name is Matt and today we're looking at some new PewDiePie merch. Merch review. Merch review. Merch review. UglyChristmasSweater.com hit me up and they say, hey, we got some new officially licensed PewDiePie merch coming out. Would you like to take a look at it? And I was like, yeah. So it finally came in. Now I have no idea what they sent me, so it's gonna be a surprise for both of us, for all of us, for everybody around. Let's just open it up. Oh my goodness, they sent the sweater. Smells like no deaths. Skratadu, fradu.
Skratadu, fradu. Money!
This is the softest sweater I've got now. Oh man. Oh, I totally forgot. Last week I started a 12 days of giveaways. Last week's winner is right here. I'll be reaching out to you, but I'm also gonna be giving all this away as well. So we're gonna have multiple winners this time. So real simple, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload a new video, like this video, and leave a comment in the description down below. Last week it was leave a nice comment. You guys left a lot of awesome comments. Some of you actually said some really nice things to others, which was great. This week, let's see, leave a comment down below telling me what you wish for most this year for Christmas. And if you don't celebrate Christmas, leave a nice comment. All right, let's try this on real quick. Bam. Yeah, it's nice and comfortable too. Cool, all right, what else is in here? What is this? Oh. Okay, so I didn't actually know this was coming yet. They threw me off guard, but they've also got some Ninja merch, and that's what we're gonna be looking at here as well. So they sent me a thank you card. Thank you for promoting and supporting UglyChristmasSweaters.com. Cool, digging it. They didn't pay me, by the way. This is not paid at all. We've also got, you deserve a medal for being brave enough to wear something so ugly. Awesome. Ugliest sweater, nice. There we go, look at that, boom. Ninja also has some new merch. Now, I didn't know this was coming out yet, but all right, let's see what this looks like. Oh, hey, that's actually not bad looking. That actually looks pretty good, I'm digging it. The little shuriken, the bow shurikens, nice. Got the Ninja logo right there. This is pretty slick. So you got the Ninja logo right there on the inside, which is cool, makes it completely official. All right, cool, let's try this. Oh man, this is nice. It's not nearly as soft as the PewDiePie merch though, but it looks kind of good. It looks pretty good. That's not bad. Whew, it's getting hot in here now. All right, I'm gonna put my own clothes back on now. Man, I gotta say, that sweater is hot. That sweater is really hot. I'm gonna have to go with the PewDiePie sweater. I like the black and white. I'm digging the shurikens. The Ninja logo is pretty awesome. But PewDiePie is definitely the winner for sure. A lot more comfortable. It's a lot lighter. So this sweater, it's definitely a little bit cheaper. This one is 40 bucks right now. This is $60. This definitely feels a lot better quality than the Ninja one. I'm not really digging the material. It's a little uncomfortable for me. This one's definitely the nice one. Plus it's got PewDiePie as Santa Claus. How can you beat that? Both PewDiePie and Ninja have some pretty cool merch over on UglyChristmasSweaters.com. Check them out. Both of them have a coupon code. Ninja has a code. It's buy one, get one half off, and the code is Ninja. It has it right on the website, and PewDiePie is the same discount, but it's sub to Pewds. Again, I'm gonna be giving both of these away, so we're gonna have two winners this time. I'm gonna leave the list of what you need to do to enter into the contest down below in the description. Keep in mind, I'm gonna use a random comment picker from, I don't know what the website is called. It's gonna be a random comment, so leave a comment down below. You could get picked, who knows? There's gonna be two winners this time, and I guess that's the end of merch review. Merch review. All right, guys, so that is it. I'm gonna leave a link down in the description below as usual. You guys know what to do. Go check it out for yourself, but as for now, go subscribe to PewDiePie and get out of here.